In the following video, I will show you how you can connect your personal Gmail account with Hostinger Mail. It's very easy and simple. So let's get started. First of all, you need to log in to your Hostinger account. Then you need to go to emails section. Click manage. On next screen, you will find the following options. You can see we already set up our mailbox as admin@ashwebdemo.com. If you haven't set up your Hostinger mail, you can watch the following video. But we already created our mailbox. Now we are going forward and will connect our Hostinger mailbox with our Gmail. Click on the left sidebar menu option Connect Apps and Devices. When you open it, you will see the following screens with some values such as protocol, hostname, port, SSL, TLS. Next, we need to go and log into our Gmail account which we want to connect. Then click on this setting icon. Then click See All Settings. Next, you need to click Accounts and Import. Here, look for the following option Send Mail As. Firstly, we will set up the outgoing emails. Then we will set the incoming emails. So let's get started. To send email as, you need to click, and here you can set the name and your email address. We will use the same mail address which we created with Hostinger. Then click next step. Here you need to add the following information. First, SMTP server. Go back to Hostinger mail and look for the following option outgoing server SMTP. You need to copy this values hostname. Go back and paste it here. Next, we will set the port number. Go back. Our port number is 465, so we will use it. Finally, add the username and password same as your Hostinger mail. So I added my username, then password. Click Add Account. The account was added successfully and a confirmation email was sent to our Hostinger mailbox. So let's open our Hostinger mailbox. Here we will log in and you can see we got a success confirmation email, and we can verify it by opening the following link. So this will confirm the Gmail that this is our mailbox. Click confirm. Now we successfully set our outgoing email. Next, we will set up the incoming email. To set it, look for the following option which says check mail from other accounts. Then we will use same email address. Click next. Make sure that you have checked the following option. Then click next. Add the username, password same as your mailbox on Hostinger. Then go back and look for the following values incoming server POP. Here copy this value and go back. Paste the value here. The POP server is set now. Now we need to set the correct port number which is 995. Then check all these and click Add Account. The account was set successfully. Now our mailbox is ready to receive the emails. You can see a new label was added in our mailbox. Let's test our Gmail. Now we will send an email to test that if our email is working. You can see our mail was sent with this email address while using the Gmail, which is very nice. Now you can see we received an email as well. So our both incoming and outgoing mails are working. Keep in mind that incoming mails can take some time, about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your original mailbox server. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe our channel.